Ultra Peak XL Gummies are marketed as an easy, tasty way to boost male performance, stamina, and confidence. But the real question is whether they actually work or just follow the usual supplement hype. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Some ingredients used in male supplements, like herbal extracts or vitamins, can support energy, blood flow, and general vitality. However, here's the key point. That's very different from dramatically boosting sexual performance. What it actually does well: mild energy and stamina boost. Some users report feeling slightly more energetic or switched on after consistent use. Convenient format. Gummies are easier to take than pills, which makes daily use more consistent. Where it falls short: no dramatic performance effects. Real-world results are subtle at best, not the instant transformation ads suggest. Mixed and limited reviews. Ratings are average with very few total reviews. Hardly strong proof of effectiveness. Overhyped marketing claims. Claims like boosting testosterone or fixing performance issues are not strongly backed by clinical evidence. So, does it boost male performance? Short answer: slightly for some people, but not in any major or reliable way. If your baseline energy or stamina is low, you might feel a small improvement. But if you're expecting strong performance enhancement, it's unlikely to deliver. Bottom line, Ultra Peak XL Gummies aren't a total scam, but they are definitely overhyped. They may provide a minor boost in energy or stamina, but they won't dramatically improve performance or fix underlying issues. Like most supplements in this category, results vary, and expectations need to stay realistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.